Honestly, homesteaders, I just wanted to take a minute to jump on here and say thank you. We have officially hit the 200 subscriber mark, and we are so excited. You guys have no idea how much we appreciate you choosing to be here with us, to support our channel, and to just be a part of our community as we are taking this journey to self-sufficient living. For all of you that have been with us a while, thank you so much for sticking by us. And for our new subscribers, thanks for finding us and for deciding to join us. We hope that everybody continues to stick around and check out our videos. We've got tons of new ones in the works right now, and we know that you're going to love them. If you haven't already and you're seeing this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Our goal is to hit 300 by my birthday, which is April 3rd, so it's right around the corner. But I know with this amazing community out there, I know that we can do it. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, share our channel, and as always, happy homesteading. Thanks guys, bye.